Okay, here's how you, ugh, I can't see myself. Let me just, hold on. Hi, so a lot of people have asked me, how do you make a webtoon on paper? Or they asked me, or they didn't realize that they could make a webtoon on paper. And I'm going to share with you my process on that. There's lots of different ways to make a webtoon on paper, so this is not the only way. So if you want to make a webtoon on paper and you don't have a computer, you can use your phone. If you don't have a phone, I don't know. You can use a scanner. If you don't have a scanner, you can use a Magic Lake and throw your comics in there or upload onto the internet. Easy peasy. But anyways, here's said webtoon on paper. This is an 8.5 by 11. This is my comic School Memories. I put it on paper so that you guys can see. I have 2 panels. You can do as many panels as you want. It is free for you to decide, but I like to do 2 panels per page because that's just what I do. So anyways, you take your webtoon that's on paper or your comic that's on paper. You don't have to do it in this format. We'll talk about that later. You take this, okay? And then you can put it on the floor and you take your camera and you take a picture with it. And then from your phone with said picture, here's the trick. You go to your internet browser on your phone. Let me show you. Don't look at my passcode. Okay, here's my internet browser. Can you see it? This is not the Webtoon app. It's my internet browser. You see right there? I'm going to type in Webtoon's website. See? This is Webtoon's website on my internet browser. I'm not using the app. So I'm going to click this button because I don't want to go to the app. If you're like, I don't see any of that information there, I'm sorry. I can't see what you're seeing, so I'm not able to help. So I'll just walk through my process on what I have. This is just Samsung's internet. You can do the same thing with Safari's internet and with Google Chrome's internet. But anyhoodles, I have videos on that if you want to see that process. But anyways, here's my internet browser. And then, wow, it's really bright. It is really bright. How do I change the brightness of this? Oh well. There's 3 lines right here. I'm going to tap those 3 lines and it brings up this stuff. From there, I'm going to tap my desktop thingy right there. And then, as you can see, if I can, you see, the publish button shows. It's flipped in this, but that's the publish button right there. Sometimes I have to hit refresh for it to like show up sometimes, but yeah. And then from there, you can just hit publish and upload your pictures, create your account and whatnot. And then upload the photo that you took of your comic page on paper, your webtoon that you made on paper, the photo that you just took, we just took that, you upload it onto there, like that. So that's how you can make a webtoon on paper. You can use your phone and take a picture with it. You can also use a scanner, and if you don't have a scanner, because some scanners, there's like, at my public library, they have a scanner, and that scanner has a USB thingamabob. So I'm able to take my picture, and I'm able to scan it into their machine, and I'm able to like save it on one of these flash drive thingamabobs. And then like, if I wanted to, I can use their computer to upload it onto Webtoon. If I'm too nervous to use their computer to upload it onto Webtoon, I can still use my phone. And if I didn't like if I don't like how like the picture quality looks when taking a picture of my comic on my phone to upload on Webtoon, I can use a scanner, and that scanner at the library has a USB thing to where I can scan the image and it goes in here. It goes in here. And then this one's special. It has a USB thingamabob to the scanner, and then it has this magic USB thing that connects to my phone. And I could take scanned image and I can like upload it directly to my phone and then go to Webtoon's website and upload it on that way. So again, I can do the whole Webtoon uploading thing without a computer. So that's what I would do. That's what I have done before Webtoon was around. I used to upload my stuff on DeviantArt, so I would go to my neighbor's house. They were my friends from school, and I would go to their house, and their dad was very scary, but I wanted to upload pictures onto DeviantArt, and I didn't have a computer or a scanner at home, so I would go to my neighbor's house, and sometimes they wouldn't be home, but the dad would be home, so I'll be like, hey, can I use your scanner? my need for wanting to do the art online thing was greater than my fear of people. So yeah, he was like, yeah, okay. So then I scanned my images onto my floppy disk. And then I'll take said floppy disk and I would use my mom's computer and I will upload it onto the internet that way. Or I will go to like my school library. I found a way to get what I was a very determined teenage child. Now I'm a very tired adult who's like, whatever's the simplest process, I'm just going to take that. My determination it's still there. It's just now I'm determined to do the most easiest, laid back way as possible. But yeah, so that's how you make a Webtoon on paper. Let's rehash what I just said. Again, there's lots of different ways. This is not the only way. You can do whatever way you like. If there are roadblocks that you are facing with, don't worry. I'm sure there is a solution. So any hoodles, I like to do 1 to 2 pages, 1 to 2 panels per page. This is literally an 8 by 11 sheet of copy paper. I did not steal it from my mom, nor did I steal it from the kids' school supplies. I bought that school supplies, so technically it's my school supplies. So this is my paper. But anyways, 1 to 2 panels on there. I can use my phone to take a picture of it. Or I can go to my library, use their scanner, scan the picture onto my USB. If I don't like, how my phone camera is, then I can take said scanned image on my USB, add it on here, and use the website. Now, if you're like, well, I don't have an Android phone, I have videos showing how I use my iPad and Safari browser and iOS things. And if you're like, I don't have that either, I'm not sure what you have. So if you can let me know what you have, and then if I am aware of how to use that, and if I have those things, then I can show you. Or if I don't know. So yeah, hopefully that helped. You guys want to see like a day in the life of a laid off Webtoon comic artist? Well, I'm not like laid off from Webtoon, but just like a laid off mom of 3 who also does comic art. You guys want to see a vlog of my life? Like a snippet of it, not the crying parts. Okay, keep watching. Queen. Queenie. Queenie bear. Queen. Her drawing. Elijah has his diploma. Let's open it up.
Congratulations, you graduate. You have achieved one of your educational goals, which I have. Now I'm also C#.
Hey, woo! Good job. And to celebrate, we have chocolates. Let's open it. With that Raymond episode. You're touching my seven.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, let's see what's in. Peace.
Stuff that's made, yeah. They put in that kind of thing. That's how it is. That holds out the heat, you know?
Yeah.
Very smart.
Nice. Is there anything in there that keeps it cold or? Nice. Oh, the ice pack is already melted. It is summer. Or
Yeah. Well, it's fine. Worst case, you can put it a little bit.
it should be fine. Here it is. Cooper Coast. You can see us in the package. Sure. I got the caramel nut explosion. Here is their website and Best Buy. Oh no, here's their website. There you go. Yeah. Ooh. Look at the chocolate. Let's zoom in. Look at that. It's not melted, but it is melting in my fingers. Okay, let's try a bite. So the caramel is right here, and the chocolate's right there. Let's take a bite. Almonds. Delicious, as usual. Nice little almond caramel pool. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. How many did I get? These are good. Yeah, these are good. Nice salted almonds. Not too overly salted. Chocolate's not too overly sweet. Caramel has a nice pull, dense bite to it. Not too runny. It's perfect. It's like all the coffee. There's another cup. Let's see. That don't look like it's enough. Wow. That is my sauce cup.
These are your favorite ones. Enjoy.
Nice.
Osake moves.
You're so stupid.
When you set it down hard and say, Muay Thai.
Muay Thai. What does that mean? Oh. You sure you had a shot? Here.
Well.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we do now. Eat chocolate before the kids find out. We don't want to share.
Just blew the chocolate.
Very temperature. Bird know what to do.
Food is very temperature. Learn from soup. Know what to do. Oh, lovely.
Mm-hmm. The rest are mine. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mine. Wilberito. Wilbert, honey, back up. Back up, Wilbert. Just, Wilbert, stop. Stop. Just, I want to get the whole picture of you. Stop. I'm trying to put the camera and he keeps following me. Wilbert, just stay in one place. Stay in one place. Stay in one place, Wilbert. Stop. Wilbert, here. Wilbert, get up. There you go. Okay, just stay there. Wilbert. Here, Wilbert. There we go. Now we can get a nice shot of him. That's Wilbur. He hates being touched, so I'm not going to touch him. Oh, no, Wilbert. Not again. Wilbert, no. So cute. No. No. Okay.
On my shoulder, you good?
You're cheating! You're cheating!
Nice try.